Today I am doing a different kind of video just to show you how my life is, how my life functions. Okay, I am sitting with my fruit. I am sitting in my little office, my computer room, where I work endlessly, tirelessly. When you look over here, this is my desktop. I am working with my desktop and I am also working on my laptop. Let me tell you how it works. I'm over here. My YouTube channel is open here. This is what I use to check my channel and also to watch other people's video. And then over here is my blog and my emails. So I do this for a little bit and then I switch around and then I do this for a little bit, because if I keep doing one, like if I say, okay, I'm going to come and do my video or watch people's video for an hour before switching over to my emails and my blog. In the middle, I get bored. So what I do, I do two of them at the same time. Maybe I'll work on my desktop for half an hour. I'll switch over to answer my emails, look at my blog, write my blogs, switch on again over here. I still have my two phones to work with. I check my Instagram to see what is going on in the social media. This phone here, yeah, I turned it off. It's coming on right now. This is my overseas phone for my business that is overseas. I have a different number, so I am juggling so many things at the same time, doing this, looking at my phone. On this corner over here are bills to be paid. Yes, so it is never ending hustle. The hustle is real. I don't care how you want to look at that. Here I have a book of my friend that inspires me a lot. So once in a while I open it, I look at her quotes and stuff like that. But most amazingly, it's my book, Katia Valino's book. If you watch my video 2 weeks ago, my book debuted on Amazon Kindle. So it's downloadable book that you can download. The paper format will be available as soon as possible. I only have my own copy, but I am working on it. I will be doing some book signing from one city to the other, not necessarily in Canada. So the best bet for you is to follow me on Instagram so that you will know the city that I'll be visiting, just in case I am coming to your city, so that you can come and have tea and coffee with Katia Valino and we can chit chat. And the name of my book is What Nobody Wants to Talk About. What is wrong with talking about sex? It is 25 ways to reach orgasm. And whenever I talk about these topics on Sundays, I get extremely excited because people don't want to talk about that. Why are we shying away from that? Even in the Bible, in the Songs of Solomon, it is described, like descriptive, how you can make your woman or your man get satisfied. So God created that for a purpose. So we must enjoy that to the maximum. So in this book here, in my next video, I'll be telling you guys a little bit of the prelude, the things that you can expect from this book. But I'm going to wait until the paper copy is available so that you guys can purchase that. But for now, you can still do the Amazon Kindle. But in my trip, in my journey, I am coming with the physical copy to you to read and get ready for questions and answers. However, if you have anything you want to ask me about the book, about my life, do not hesitate. Leave me a comment, You can leave it on this platform or you can leave it on Instagram. I am so intrigued and I am so elated to know that you guys will be looking into this to give you a little glimpse of how you can hold yourself together, of how you can hold yourself and your partner under the blanket and above the blanket. I am so elated, I am so thrilled. I can't wait to set out for my trip. I'm so excited. Yes, so while I'm working, I have my water bottle, I have my fruits, and my little office, 2 computers, 2 phones. Yes. And tell you somebody was just calling me. Tell you the truth, I enjoy sitting at my own corner and doing my own little stuff in my own world. Thank you guys so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a family. And don't forget to follow along. If you don't subscribe to this channel and don't follow me on my Instagram, you will not know when I come to your city. And I really want to meet you guys on one-to-one. I want to see you. Like I said, you guys see me all the time on the YouTube. I only see a little version of your face. I don't really know what you guys look like. Only for few of them who follow me on my Facebook, which I rarely go to. I go to my Facebook once in a while. But hey, don't also forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't also forget to subscribe to my website. Amazing different things happening on my website. So the link will be on the description box, so you can order yours through Amazon Kindle. Okay? Thank you guys so much for your time, and I love you guys. Bye. Bye-bye.